With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that is given over here is ZIFT is. So the first option is transfer of zygote into the fallopian tube. The second option is transfer of embryo into the uterus. The third option is transfer of mixture of sperms and ova into the fallopian tube. And the fourth option is transfer of mixture of sperms and ova into the uterus. So we'll first understand what is ZIFT. ZIFT stands for zygote intrafallopian transfer or zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. So this is a kind of assisted reproductive technology. That is, it is a kind of art where it is used for treatment of infertility. So in the cases where the fallopian tube cannot provide an environment for fertilization. So fertilization is nothing but the fusion of egg and the sperm. So if there is no fusion of the gametes, then there will be no fertilization. If there is no fertilization, there will be no zygote. So in the cases where the fallopian tube is blocked, or this prevents the fallopian tube prevents the normal binding of the sperm and egg. So in those cases, this ZIFT technique is used. So this ZIFT is nothing but the zygote will be directly transferred into the fallopian tube of the female reproductive tract. So let us see the first option. It is given as transfer of zygote into the fallopian tube. So it is right. So let us see the second option. It is given as transfer of embryo into the uterus. So even this is a kind of art wherein first in vitro fertilization, that is IVF, takes place, and then ET, that is nothing but embryo transfer. So IVF-VT is also a technique of art, that is assisted reproductive technique, and it stands for in vitro fertilization. That is, fertilization is not carried inside the female body, but it is done in an external environment, and then after the formation of zygote and after the few developmental stages, so that embryo will directly be transferred into the uterus. So this is known as in vitro fertilization embryo transfer. Now let us see the third option, that is given as transfer of mixture of both sperms and ova into the fallopian tube. Wrong, because it is the transfer of a zygote directly, not the mixture of the sperms and the ova. And the fourth option is also the transfer of mixture of sperms and ova but into the uterus. So even this option is wrong. So clearly the answer is transfer of zygote into the fallopian tube.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.